You are still carrying your clothes inside nylon for your 2 to 3 days visit when you can easily make this mini travel bag. Okay, oh. Come, let me teach you how to make this one. And guess what? You can use any fabric of your choice. The actual length of this bag is 14 inches and the weight is 20 inches. But I'll be cutting out 12 inches and 3 inches this way. By the time I join it together, I'll have my exact 14 inches back. I'll be cutting two of the same size, same length and same width. I have also added my soft wadding to both the 12 inches and 3 inches. So we have two 3 inches by 20 inches and also 12 inches by 20 inches. For the hand, the length is 16 inches and the width is 4 inches. So this was how I folded it. You need to fold one side, fold the other side, then join them together like this. You need to sew on both sides. You need to cut out two of this handle. Now remember that the actual length of our bag is 14 inches and the weight is 20 inches. We're going to cut two of this lining also. Now you're going to pick the 3 inches, then pick your zip and place it on it this way. Then cover it up with the lining, just like and just so right there. Do the same for the other side also. Pick the lining and your 3 inches, then cover it up with the lining also. For the 12 inches by 20 inches, you're going to get the middle, then mark 3 inches from the middle on both sides, 3 inches this way and 3 inches on the other side. Pick one of the handle and place it on it this way, on the 3 inches we mark this way, then sew on it. Do the same for the other side also. Get the middle, then mark 3 inches by 3 inches this way, then sew on it also. I should have something like this. And this is the zipper. I'm done with the zipper. This is what I have. So you're going to just, this is the back. You need to just pick one side and place it on the 12 inches by 20 inches. Then you sew on it this way. Do the same for the other side also. You need to just sew on it right. Then should have something like this. This is what the inside looks like. You can see how neat the inside is. Now I'm going to separate the lining from the body of the bag. Just separate lining from the body of the bag like this. You need to sew half an inch on the down part of your bag this way. Then on the down part of the line, you need to sew the down part also, but you need to leave at least 7 inches to turn out your bag. So just leave 7 inches and sew. This is what I have after sewing. And this is a 7 inches space. Now you're going to fold your fabric and make sure the joining at the down part is now in the middle. Fold the joining at the down part to be in the middle this way. You should have something like this. So the down part should be in the middle. Then you mark 3 inches by 3 inches. Just mark it this way to be in the square form. 3 inches by 3 inches. You need to do the same for the other size also. 3 inches by 3 inches. You should have something like this. Then you need to cut it out. 3 inches by 3 inches. You need to cut it out. Do the same for the other ones also. And should have something like this. You need to just sew that side together, half an inch there and half an inch on this side also. Just sew it together with the lining and should have something like this. Then you're going to cut off the remaining zip at the sides. You need to just turn it from that 7 inches we left earlier. You need to turn it to the right side this way and should have something like this. Then you need to open your zip a little. Open your zip a little. Then you need to close that 7 inches. As you can see, I've done that and this is what I have. Now you're going to just fold this side and sew on it. Fold this side also and so on. Do the same for the other sides also. And we are through. Please, if you are making this for commercial purpose, use your bias tape to cover those sides, those joining at the sides. Use your bias tape to cover those sides. Now turn your back to the right side, turn it out to the right side, and our mini bag is ready. Our mini travel bag is ready. It is very easy to make. Just have to follow the process. So now I'm just going to zip it right now. And this is what we have. And this is it without any clothes inside. Please don't forget to like this video, drop a comment, and also share to others. So I'll be putting some clothes inside now so you can see what's going to look like. This is without any clothes. And now this is it with some clothes inside. I'm just going to open it for you to see. You can see I have some clothes in now. It is very perfect. This bag will really contain your 3 to 4 days wears. So instead of just going with nylon. Just make this bag. It's cute and it's very nice. So let me know if you're creating this in the comment section. Bye.